Search should be simple. You type a question, you get an answer. Building it should also be simple too. But if you've ever implemented search into a product or used a search bar on Reddit, for example, you know that neither of those things are true. Search right now is not simple, both to use or to implement. And here's why. Keyword search or text search has a problem. Someone types, "How do I make my queries faster?" and they get 0 results. The thing is, the article about indexing strategies on a SQL database is there, but those exact words in the search query do not match. Semantic search or vector search fixes this because it understands the meaning of a piece of content. But semantic search is not perfect either. Someone searches HNSW and semantic search returns articles about vector search in general because it's chasing meaning, not the exact HNSW term itself. So, keyword search finds what you typed and semantic search finds what you meant. Neither one is enough on its own in certain use cases, like documentation search. Hybrid search gives you both, and you can run all of it inside Postgres. No Elasticsearch, no Pinecone, no separate vector database. Ghost handles keyword, semantic, and hybrid search, all in one Postgres database. Let me show you how. In the last video, we set up BM25 keyword search on a knowledge base of developer documentation, all through a built-in Ghost skill, which can be installed using Ghost MCP install. The agent reads the skill, installed the extension, built the index, and configured everything. We didn't write a single line of SQL, and I didn't have to know how it works. So let's continue on this search project. This is a table that we made last time, which contains all the columns, including ID, title, preview, created, which are the articles in our docs database. Hey Claude, here's the knowledge base from last time. Articles with BM25 already set up. Help me add semantic search to this database using the hybrid search Go skill. Then run 2 searches. First, a keyword search for the string connection pooling, then a semantic search for my app gets slow when lots of users connect at the same time. And immediately, Claude Code pulled up the view skill for Postgres hybrid text search. This is a skill that combines both keyword search and semantic search. And immediately, I don't need to know how any of this works, and it just starts building it. It's going to ask me for my OpenAI API key, and I'm going to quickly grab that. It's going to immediately start generating these real embeddings for all the articles. And embeddings means these mathematical representation of text in terms of their meaning. All right, the results are back. That took less than a few minutes. Let's see the results. So it says that both searches are working. Here are the results side by side. Using just BM25 for the string connection pooling, it returned the title, which has connection pooling on top, which is the expected results. And here are the top 5 results. And then when it comes to purely semantic search of my app gets slow when lots of users connect at the same time, it is able to search and return the advanced connection management, handling pool exhaustion and timeouts title, which is also the exact thing that we want. And the key takeaway here is that BM25 finds the exact keywords and semantic search finds the intent or the meaning. Let's combine this using RRF. Please combine this using RRF and run the same tests. And just like that, we were able to set up hybrid search using RRF, which stands for reciprocal ranked fusion. Very hard term to say. And the first search result for the string connection pooling returned the following thing, which is connection pooling best practices. And then the second thing is it returned the advanced connection management. These are both results that we expected. And also ran a second search, which is a more fuzzy one, which is my app gets slow when lots of users connect at the same time. And what it returned was monitoring with PG stat statements. It seems that the hybrid search balanced both signals for connection pooling and for slow statements. So, connection management articles, which was number 3 and number 4, were ranked highly thanks to strong semantic scores, while monitoring and auto vacuum gets a boost from these keyword hits. Articles that scored really well were articles that ranked high in both the semantic search and vector search, which achieves what we want with hybrid search. And to summarize, keyword search finds exact matches. Semantic search finds articles about connection pooling and database scaling, even though those exact words weren't in the query. If you want to dive a little deeper into hybrid search, I'm attaching a talk I did at Andrew Ng's AI Dev 2025 conference in New York City. I'm gonna link it in the comments below. It goes in depth in building hybrid search in Postgres using PG Vector and our very own PG Text Search. I think it's something that's worth 30 minutes of your time. With Ghost, you can have 2 search paradigms, 1 database service with 0 external services. It's all about simplicity. Only on ghost.build.